Hi guys, this is 15 years old again. Today I'm gonna show you my bandit or multi killer. He's got a high caliber sniper rifle and a bipod on it, and a mini mask, and you see put things on the back. I'll put an RPG on it, and it's like a bandit face too, and some Nazi clots. Yeah. So now we'll buy some more brick arms weapons from Warehouse 19. Maybe today. Yeah. And thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.